All right, guys, what is up? We're back with another episode. This week's gonna be a little different. It's just me and the fam out on the bikes. Got my intense primer, and we're up here in beautiful Mammoth, California. We're gonna go ride a few trails and just kind of bring you along with some raw footage and have some fun. So, hope you guys enjoy this one. Let's get it. No! Lean back! Uh-oh. Lean back, people! Vicky, the adventures of Vicky. Yes. No! It's fun, honestly. Oh. A little sketchy. The brakes are not on point right now because they're so wet. Coming through. We got it. Hold on. All right, so we're a couple miles in, just hopped on a fire road, pedaling towards Mammoth Mountain, and we're gonna sneak onto some of those trails, but it's been pretty fun, plowing through some snow. My dad got a flat a little bit ago, so I'm heading back right now because I think he's probably stuck down here, broken. But man, it's fun, feels good. The lungs hurt because it's like, I don't know, we're at like 9,000 feet probably, and my 1,500 feet lungs do not appreciate it. What happened? You broke it?
I think we had a valve stem problem, so we just tightened it up with the needle nose and pumping it up for a second try, and we're seeing if we can make it down this treacherous, icy, snowpacked trail.
So bad.
It's snowy. Yeah. The altitude is so brutal. Oh, coming in a little hot now. Last time I rode the trail on a snowmobile. The problem is you just lose all your tires. Oh, my brakes weren't working. Oh, we got some open road. We're on the gas. Oh. Come on. Finally opened up. All right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed that last video. Been having a ton of fun, but been super busy. That's why we just did a simple one this week, but next week's gonna be awesome. We're here at the river and we're filming some pretty rad content, and I can tell you, you're not gonna wanna miss it. So hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below. See you next week, Wednesday, 9:45.